Hello, I am Gimme Bacon and this is the Canon EFS 18 to 55mm IS-2 lens. It's a kit lens that could be bought for $199. It was introduced in 2011 and made as cheaply as possible. That cheapness is why this video is being made. The autofocus broke on my lens, allowing it to only focus to infinity and not back. I can hear it try, but it's not moving, which is why I am going to disassemble it and try to fix it. I start by unscrewing these two screws that hold the contacts. Then there are these four screws. I had a bit of trouble unscrewing them because they are pretty firmly screwed in. With those screws removed, I can detach this plastic part while taking out its ribbon cable. Now I can unplug all the ribbons. I recommend doing it with a needle because it makes it a lot easier. Then I can remove the control board from the lens. After looking around the internals of the lens, I took out the focus motor, which was attached to the autofocus switch with a metal lever thing, which I got out with a screwdriver. Only after that did I find the cause of why the autofocus wasn't working. This broken ribbon. Knowing that I wasn't going to be able to fix the cable and not wanting to search online for a replacement, I just disabled the autofocus capabilities by just not putting in the autofocus motor. After putting the lens back together, I tested if it still works, and it does. The focus ring actually feels a bit better, and the autofocus was terrible anyway, so I am not too sad to not have autofocus in this lens. Even though the quality of this lens is pretty bad, it doesn't mean that it can't take good pictures. Here are some good ones I have taken with this lens. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time.